cross tab we can call as a create. We can having we can what we can say, any series we can pass to the rows and columns. That is cross tabulation is specified. Any series passed with have their name and attributes useful for the row and column. At that time, this cross tabulation will be required. Okay, we will see afterwards what is a practical and hands-on of cross tab. But this is what the just general theory example or general theory information about cross tab or contingency table or cross tabulation, that it will be used to represent the relation between two variables, and it will be used for the multivariate frequency distribution. Okay. Next points comes is your time series basic analysis. What is time series? Now time series is nothing but from observing your data. So we can predict the data from whatever the history data historical data we have. Now time series for definition firstly is what? So time series definition is a set of data depending on time, a series or values over the period of time. Collection of magnitude belonging to different time periods of some variable, of composite variables such as production of your steel per capita income, gross national income, price of tobacco, index of industrial production. Okay, so time is a act device common stable reference point. Okay, now time series time act as an independent variable estimate dependent variable. अभी ये सब theory slide पे है. Actual example of time series is nothing but your stock prediction, weather prediction, means whatever, because हर एक time में क्या होने वाला है we cannot know. So we can better way predict. Like जो CNBC आवाज बिजनेस चैनल्स जो भी रन होते हैं सुबह सुबह, जो मेनी पीपल आर नोइंग और देयर पेरेंट्स आर knowing the share market. At that time, the CNBC or G Business, ये channel पे they were telling that you can invest this shares will going high. You can invest into that, this share will going high. This share, you cannot invest on this share will be go down. So that's what basically we can having the prediction about that depends on that time. This share normally having 10 rupees. Now this share should be going up to 800 rupees, 2000 rupees. Why this amount is going to be high? Because many people are buying this, and जैसे ही demand ज़्यादा होता है, it will going up to high. So that will be basically nothing but called as a your time series prediction. और हमेशा stock price prediction, weather prediction. अभी देखो आज weather इतना clear है, suddenly जब आपको weather report आता है कि नहीं, this city has having the orange alert, this city is having the red alert. How this is basically? This should be depends on your previously available data, and according to time interval, how this data is going to be changed. That's nothing but called as your time series prediction. Means your set of data depending upon only one factor called as a time. So that's why it is called as a time series analysis. And it is a, we are generally working on this time series analysis. So that's why this is called as a time series analysis. Understood up till now? समझ में आया?
Yes.
ओके, कॉन्टिजेंसी टेबल एंड टाइम सीरीज. टाइम सीरीज नाम में ही है, डिपेंड्स ऑन टाइम, एंड टाइम इंटरवल पे हमें उसके वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करनी है. ओके, नाउ मैथमेटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ टाइम सीरीज क्या होता है? और टाइम सीरीज अ सेट ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन टेकन एट स्पेसिफिक टाइम इंटरवल एंड यूजुअली इक्वल इंटरवल. मतलब एक इंटरवल 30 मिनट का है तो नेक्स्ट भी 30 मिनट का ही होना चाहिए. If I am observing one event in a 1 hour, then other event should be observed in the 1 hour. So that's why equal time intervals we can set up observation taken for the specific time period. Then mathematically time series is defined by the value of y1, y2 of variable y at the times t1, t2. Thus we can having y is equal to whatever my value series is nothing but function of my time. So that my function is mathematically my series of y is nothing but represented by your function of time series. This is the simple representation of a time series. Now causes of variation in time of series data. What are the different causes of variations? कैसे कैसे हो सकता है? Social customs, different festival, seasons, Then your 4 phases of business: prosperity, decline, depression, recovery. So this what we can causes of time series data. Natural calamities like earth, arithmetic, epidemic, flood, floods, political movement, changes, so movements and changes, war. So this way we can have, these are the causes variation in your time series data. These are the factor responsible for your causes in the time series data. Why this time series is important? Time analysis is important. It is a very popular tool for business forecasting because suppose I have already given you the example that suppose one business is McDonald, one outlet is running too much fast and one is not running because of due to their location, whatever factor may be. That what your business forecasting, मतलब आप forecast करता कि बता रहे हो analysis of data कि no, the food quality is not good, the location is not good, the interior is not fine, the treatment given to customer is not fine. What this is what my the list behind why this McDonald's is not yet running popularly as my other McDonald branches are running so much popularly. So this is what the a very popular tool to represent for business forecasting. That's why this आपने इसका नाम सुना है? कौन सा ये कार के लिए कौन सी आती है देखो साइट्स आती है देखो कार के लिए कार रेंटिंग वगैरह चलता है
Cars 24 आती है।
हाँ कार्स 24 नहीं एक बहुत अच्छा नाम है जूम कार है ना जूम कार ही आता है ना वो कोई तो है एक देखो साइट देखो जिसमें कार रेंट्स पे वगैरह आप दे सकते हो और आपकी कार जितनी भी यूज होती है उसका आपको पेमेंट दिया जाता है तो दैट जूम कार इज यूज्ड हिज बिजनेस मॉडल as using your machine learning or time series analysis and they were analyzed in a such a way that now their business has grown up to too much higher. Okay, so the profit they were earning is too much. Zoom car. So that the solution has been proposed. Like food forecasting बोलते हैं. Even आपका अभी बंगाल का इलेक्शन हुआ. So in that election, can anyone tell कि what the exit poll are said and that exit poll are matched or not? Can anyone observe whether the news channel है कि नहीं? किसने देखा कि नहीं बंगाल के इलेक्शन का? Can anyone familiar with this? अरे है कि नहीं बताओ तो सही यस नो आप दुनिया की खबर आप दुनिया की खबर नहीं रखते हो क्या जनरल नॉलेज न्यूज व्यूज नहीं पढ़ते हो क्या न्यूज पढ़नी चाहिए हाँ
इलेक्शन वगैरह का नहीं देखता
इलेक्शन वाले के नहीं देखते ठीक है ओके बट देखो अभी महाराष्ट्र के इलेक्शंस अगर होते हैं और जब भी कोई भी इलेक्शंस होता है तो आपको क्या दिखाए जाते हैं एग्जिट पोल दिखाए जाते हैं वो एग्जिट पोल कौन से बेसिस पे होते हैं बताओ हमें डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट एग्जिट पोल्स how they can say that this party is going to be win this much of seats and this party is going to be win this much of this having this much of loss this nothing but your time series prediction to prediction about your exit polls voting bank to prediction about your business forecasting to basic understanding past behavior so and how to we can correct your future activity based on that and that's basically improve your data about your performance. So this is what basic understanding of past behavior. मतलब एक पार्टी का past behavior का था हमें फ्यूचर में क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज प्लान करनी है दैट वी कैन विन द इलेक्शन देन इवैल्यूएट करंट अकम्प्लिशमेंट हमें आज कौन से लैक्यूनास थे लाइक यू कैन डू योर शॉर्ट एनालिसिस बोलते हैं ना स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेसेस थ्रेट्स एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी the same way we can having the past behavior data past में क्या हुआ था what we can plan for the future and how we can current accomplishment about the current situation and how we can evaluate the current situation performance what are the facilities of comparison how we can compare and estimate over here the trade cycle so this is what nothing but this is what the main importance of your time series का main example है your stock prices then your GDP, like exchange rate, interest rate, inflation rate, national GDP, then your retail sales, electronic power consumption, number of accidental fatality. So this is what the different examples for your time series prediction. Then components of time series, like we can having characteristic movement or fluctuation of our time series, जो time interval में characteristics और उसपे fluctuations हो रहा है, that we can having observe. Okay, then types of component, we can having your secular trends, seasonal variation, sometimes season may be changed, cyclic variation, continuously we can repeat that, like first covid का wave आया, second हमें लगा second wave नहीं आएगा, but the second wave आया, some people are predicted no third wave भी आने वाला है और अभी आएगा. So this is what we can having called as a cyclic variation. Irregular movement, sometimes maybe irregular movement हो सकता है, that sometimes like देखो covid के बाद white fungus, green fungus, yellow fungus. So this kind of a irregular variations movement should be come. So that's what post-COVID changes. This is what the types of a component in case of we are observing a time series analysis. This is what the secular that data grow or we can decline over a long period of time. That is nothing that we can having. This is secular trend or trend. Okay. Then suppose this is what my uptrend, sometimes we can having downtrend, declining the death rate, uptrend, up population growth ज़्यादा हो रहा है, sometimes it may be linear, it may not be linear. So this way we can represent the graphical. The purpose of measuring trend, we can having the knowledge about past behavior. इसमें knowledge about past behavior is very much important. And how to we can estimate the evaluation कि past behavior में कैसे होता है. Like simple example, आप क्या पूछते हो अगर आपका थ्योरी पेपर ऑफलाइन होता है, तो व्हाट द फर्स्ट थिंग इफ यू आर गिवन अ पीएल, व्हाट द फर्स्ट थिंग कम्स इन योर माइंड? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? अगर आपका थ्योरी एग्जाम ऑनलाइन हो रहा है तो आप पहले दिमाग में क्या चीज आएगी आपके? अगर आपका पढ़ाई नहीं हुआ है और आपको पढ़ाई भी कंप्लीट करना है तो आप क्या करोगे, बताओ मुझे. टेल मी. अरे बोलो, डोंट बी म्यूट. कंटिन्यूसली यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चन और कंटिन्यूसली यू कैन बी प्रेजेंट. बोलो. अगर मैंने बोला कि नहीं नहीं कल ही आपका सीएस का फाइनल एग्जाम है तो आप क्या करोगे, बताओ. बताओ. एनीवन? ब्रेक हो रहा है वॉइस. अनिकेत राजन, योर वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग. नेक्स्ट, एनी अदर? क्या आ सकता है आपके माइंड में? अमीशा गुप्ता. If I told that your exam is within in 2 days, what you have to do? Within 8 days you have to give the exam. What is the basic thing of your basic thing comes in your mind? सब लोग क्या बोलते हैं अगर पढ़ाई नहीं हुआ तो what you are going to refer? Previous question papers. Even you are going to be taking any CET or entrance exam, you firstly what previous data, previously क्या पूछा था वो डेटा हम फॉलो करते हैं, प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर फॉलो करके देन यू आर स्टार्टिंग कि नहीं बाबा ये चैप्टर में से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन आए तो वी कैन गिव दिस वेटेज, much more weightage to this particular topic. If we are asking the less question from other topic, so we can give the less weightage to that topic. और उस topic में से ही कुछ points में ही questions आ रहे, तो you can read that more topic. Okay, so this way you are decided by considering your past data. Okay, so that past data is very much important for estimation. Then we can estimate that we can having this much of estimation, this much of things we can having, and we can study the other component. अभी ये क्वेश्चन पेपर का होने के बाद आप क्या करोगे? कोई और कंपोनेंट, कोई और नोट्स मिल रहे हैं कि नहीं देखते हैं, किसी और पॉइंट्स का मटेरियल जो बुक में नहीं मिल रहा है तो यू कैन गो ऑनलाइन, यू कैन सर्चिंग एंड देन यू कैन डाउनलोडिंग, किसके जेरोक्स के नोट्स मिल रहे हैं कि नहीं, किसका क्या मिल रहा है कि नहीं, ये अदर थिंग्स के लिए आप करोगे अगर आपको एग्जाम क्लियर होना है अच्छे मार्क्स से. सो दिस इज व्हाट यू कैन हैविंग purpose of measuring trade, and this is what you are getting the high marks with the help of these components. Okay. Now seasonal variation. The component is responsible for regular rise and fall or fluctuation time series during period not more than 1 year. So this is what fluctuations in a regular sequence. जो हमारे फ्लक्चुएशन होते हैं सीजनल मीन्स एनी काइंड ऑफ वेरिएशन इन द पीरियोडिक नेचर दैट विल बी रिपीटिंग समटाइम्स. अभी देखो साइक्लोन कभी भी आ सकता है, बारिश कभी भी होती है, समटाइम्स वेदर कंडीशंस विल बी चेंज. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड एज सीरियस वेदर कंडीशंस. ओके, सीजनल वेदर कंडीशन. लाइक क्रॉप यील्ड प्रेडिक्शन जो है कि कौन सा क्रॉप फार्मर को लेना है, उसमें हम ये क्लाइमेट कंडीशन, वेदर कंडीशन हम जरूर कंसिडर करते हैं. अगर लकीली हमने एक क्रॉप फार्मर को बोला कि नहीं आप ले लो, और सडनली बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होगी, देन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर, इट इज नॉट इन योर हैंड. और सडनली ओशन में वी कैन हैविंग लो बैंड और हाई बैंड ड्यू टू दिस वेदर इज कंटिन्यूसली चेंजिंग. So that nothing but called as a seasonal wind include any kind of a variation in your periodic nature. Then characteristic features of seasonal variation, we can having regularity, fixed proportion, increase or decrease, and easy forecast. The purpose of measuring seasonal variation, we can analyze the past behavior, we can having the forecasting short time fluctuation. अगर मुझे वेदर चेंज हो रहा है और उसके बारे में मुझे कुछ प्रेडिक्ट करना है कि कल सडनली बारिश होने वाला है, कल सडनली वेदर बहुत ज्यादा क्लाउडी होने वाला है, सो आई कैन मेक दैट स्टेटमेंट विद इन द शॉर्ट टाइम फ्लक्चुएशन और विद इन दैट शॉर्ट टाइम. Elimination of seasonal variation for measuring cyclic variation, that will be also purpose of measuring seasonal variation. Okay, so this way we can having crop yield prediction, weather prediction for who depends on a certain business are running on that. So that will be basically examples of this seasonal variation. So that's why this seasonal variations are important. Then your business cycle, जो हमारी business cycle है, prosperity, decline, depression. If suppose we are lost, how we can recover, that will be nothing but we can based on this time series. Okay, so this way we can having this time series. Okay, then this is what the mathematical model about the time series we can having the that is called as the additive model, and second is multiplicative model. We can assume the data is the sum of the time series component. मतलब जो भी component है, we can taking the sum of that component. While in multiplicative model, we can assume the product of the various component. This it depends on various data we can having that various components we can multiply it. So if data don't contain the component, the value of missing component is 0. Suppose there is no one component is missing, we can consider that is a 0. And suppose we can seasonal variation, or suppose some cycle is missing, we can consider it as a 1. We cannot contain as a 0 because whole sum will be coming to 0. So that will be the additive model and multiplicative model about your time series. Okay, so this is what the things which we can having to about the time series predictions. Okay, now time series prediction, there is to time series prediction we can having pandas library, and there is a how we can predict your date, time, over the range. If suppose we are having missing certain dates, how we can find out that dates. Suppose वेदर कैसे प्रेडिक्ट करना है कि स्टॉक प्राइस कल के दिन में क्या होने वाला है, 1 वीक के बाद क्या होने वाला है. लाइक आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि गोल्ड इज गोइंग टू बी हाई, गोल्ड इज गोइंग टू बी डाउन, weather is going to be high, weather is going to be low, cloudy, rainy. This is nothing but called as your time series analysis. Okay, understood up till now? Any doubt into that?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Any other? Okay. कोई भी डाउट हो तो पूछो, जो भी डाउट हो पूछो. I will give you 5 minutes. तो टाइम सीरीज मतलब क्या करते हैं हम? कैन एनीवन टेल what is time series prediction, time series analysis? What is time series?
Basically to to analyze some particular data points collected over a period of time.
And we can predict certain data. Basically it is used for prediction. कुछ भी prediction को क्या बोलते हैं हम हिंदी में, क्या बोलते हैं, आकाशवाणी जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि जो अनुमान लगाना, करेक्ट, अनुमान, और आकाशवाणी जो बोलते हैं ना वो आकाशवाणी करना। आपको क्या होता है जब भी एक वेदर के प्रेडिक्शन कैसे पता चलता है कि नहीं नहीं आज ऑरेंज अलर्ट है मैडम, आज पूर्णिमा और अमावस्या के बाद समंदर में जो भी क्या व्हाट वी कैन से ओशन में देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ वाटर मूवमेंट्स आर गोइंग ऑन। सो आप क्या बोलते हैं, अप्स एंड डाउन्स, दैट करेक्ट, दैट द सेम वे भविष्यवाणी, फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है। अगर आपको क्रॉप यील्ड प्रेडिक्शन, ये बहुत ज्यादा रिसेंट टॉपिक है अभी जो चल रहा है, इवन हाउस प्राइस प्रेडिक्शन, फूड फोरकास्टिंग, you can business forecasting, stock exchange prediction, weather prediction, ये सब prediction is nothing but called as a about prediction about third wave, prediction about fourth wave, prediction about second wave। कुछ लोगों ने बोला कि चलो फर्स्ट वेव चली गई, सेकंड वेव विल नॉट बी कम, बट सेकंड वेव आई, देन नाउ दे आर प्रेडिक्टेड थर्ड वेव, और थर्ड वेव किस पे आने वाली है, तो किड्स पे आने वाली है। उन्होंने बोला किड्स सबसे ज्यादा। So that's what the prediction is, depends on your previous data. Understood? Now many countries are facing the third wave, fourth wave. We are just finished to about second. So this way, the COVID related जो prediction है, that is also nothing but part of this time series analysis. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will see firstly a cross tab. क्रॉस टैब क्या होता है, तो ये एक कॉन्टिजेंसी टेबल होता है। ओके, आई विल शो यू हैंड्स ऑन। और ये जो है ये सब पैंडास लाइब्रेरी के फंक्शन है। रिमेंबर दैट योर क्रॉस टैब, योर टाइम सीरीज एनालिसिस, these are comes under with your pandas library. Okay, so this is what my cross tab. Okay, so I have just imported your pandas library. I have created one data frame. This is what my pandas library object. I am reading Excel. हाँ, यहाँ पे आप read.csv है, तो अभी यहाँ पे Excel फाइल है, तो I am reading this Excel file. If I am reading .csv file, so my read underscore csv file. Okay, it will be changing according to that. समझ में आया ये? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अभी इसमें बताओ, this I have run, I will run. इसमें क्या क्या दिख रहा है आपको, मुझे बताओ। What are the tables you're seen in this database? क्या लग रहा है ये कौन सा डेटाबेस है? क्या लग रहा है, क्या है इसमें? दिस इज माय इंडेक्स, नेम, नेशनलिटी, सेक्स।
मैम क्लाइंट की डेटा वो राइट हैंडेड की लेफ्ट हैंडेड है।
करेक्ट, perfect, perfect, perfect. So we are having country wise data, the name of person, and in that they were written it should be a right handed or left handed. Okay? Suppose I want the nationality wise left hand and right hand kitne हैं, so I just write pd dot cross tab and I just created data frame object, data frame nationality, my table name, and df dot my handle is. So this way I can get कितने देश है मेरे इसमें, that I can having Bangladesh, China and India and USA. Okay, this way we can finding out the cross tab, means retrieving small table only I have to analyze। मैंने आपको बोला कि नहीं नहीं मुझे ना कंट्री वाइज डेटा दे दो कि कौन से लेफ्ट हैंडेड है और कितने राइट हैंडेड स्टूडेंट्स है इन दिस पर्टिकुलर whatever data we have survey किया है। Okay, so this way your left hand and right hand data is generated. Understood this table? This is also called as a contingency table. Okay, I will write here contingency table.
फाइनल आंसर जो है वो आपका किधर रहेगा,
और
ये पूरा इसके मिलेगा।
cross tabulation. Okay. Next, if I won't tell you that I want according to your sex wise, female or male, how much the kind of left hand and right hand. So that will be also using with the help of this. Now next, I want to we can having the margins. Now margins क्या होता है? What the margins functions does? So margin function we can having whatever the values, it should be true, false, or total. We can add the subtotal about your rows and columns. Okay, so that nothing but we can call it as a subtotal. अगर मुझे चाहिए सबकी, so that total is automatically get calculated with the help of this Boolean function. Margins is equal to true. Okay. So if I write margins is equal to true, it will be giving me kind of a count. Okay. अगर हम यहाँ पे भी लिखेंगे तो let us see what happens. Margins is equal to true. Okay. So have you understood what the margins has does? समझ में आया margin function? Okay. Then next we can having your suppose I want certain variations in my data, that I want the nationality, and according to your sex I want the country wise data. Okay, and with the help of this, so I have created left hand right handed data according to nationality with the data frame and according to sex. So that will be multi index columns and rows is also possible with the help of this particular function called as a cross. Okay, now इसमें क्या क्या हो रहा है आप मुझे बताओगे कोई कोई? Now you are going to telling me.
First of all, we will understand the algorithm. So how we got the algorithm idea? So the number of steps is required is equal to the number of bits which is there in the data. The first step is creating.
Can anyone tell what is this command is?
First step creating. Second step क्या बोल रहा है? Look at the transition between the imaginary zero and the LSB of the multiplier. Zero or LSB
Anyone?
of the multiplier in last bit of the multiplier. If the transition is from zero to one.
मैम कंट्री वाइज इसने मार्जिन बनाया है इस कंट्री में.
Correct. We can having the nationality wise according to their sex, male and female, left hand right hand का count कितना है. मतलब बांग्लादेश में फीमेल्स कितने हैं, मेल्स कितने हैं, चाइना में मेल्स कितने हैं, फीमेल्स कितने. That according to we can having this data. Now there is one term called as a normalize. Normalize means we can giving the normalized data percentage about the data. How many percentage of your left hand, how many percentage of your right hand. So this is what my index is, that we can having according to your male and female, we can having the how many percentage of female having left handed, how many percentage are having right handed, male and female. So that will be, we are going to comment with the help of this normalized index, and then we can having the aggregate function. If I want to value the aggregate value about the particular function, that we can find out the average. We can call it that average about male and females, how many left-handed and how many right-handed, that we can passing the value as a age as my column, and we can having the aggregate function over this, that is with the help of your numpy. Okay, understood this? Normalize means we can having the percentage, and aggregate means we can calculate the average. Understood? Aggregate values and normalized value. समझ में आया? अरे समझ में आए कि नहीं? Any doubt you have? Any doubt? Any doubt?
I got this.
This is what a normalized function. Now normalize is nothing but how many percentage, like 100 में से कितने percentage लोग are left handed, 100 में से कितने percentage are right handed. और उसमें भी मेल एंड फीमेल among the 100%, sorry, 100 women, there are the 40% women who are left-handed. Among the female count, among the 40%, 60% females are right-handed, and among the male, we can having 71% are your male are left-handed and 28% are we can having right-handed. Means whatever जो data है वो directly आपको percentage में कहाँ पे calculate मिलता है with the help of this normalized function. Understood? Only we just write the normalize as an index. Which index we are considering? So we can considering this TF and this handness as my data. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आया? हाँ. And then aggregate function. Aggregate मतलब क्या होता है? हम average value निकालते हैं. So that aggregate function means we can finding out how many people are average कितना है. तो 44.4. Right handed कितने payments है? So that 31. Males कितने हैं? Aggregate कितने हैं? हमारा जो data है उसमें 31 है. And 20. So this is what my aggregate value जो हम हमेशा निकालते हैं आपके marks की वगैरह. The same way we can calculate it here aggregate value of a particular given data. Okay, understood? Understood. Understood.
Hello,
Are
yes,
sir?
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next we can having date time, date range. अब टाइम सीरीज में कैसा है? बहुत सारे डेट टाइम इंडेक्सिंग है, डेट टाइम रेंज है, एज वेल एज डेट टू टाइम एनालिसिस भी है. ओके, सो फर्स्टली वी विल हाँ, तो हम पहले सिंपल तरीके से जाते हैं, देन वी विल गो टू द हाई. ओके, now this is what my data is. We can having one CSV file. So this is what my object. We can having this data as my your data with date and open, low, close, volume related to any stock price. So that CSV file we can having. Now why this parse data is written here? Okay, so why this parse underscore dates has been written? You can having the question, because if I'm not writing this terminology into this bracket, your date will be considered as a string function. Okay, अगर मैं ये function अगर check करती हूँ, अगर मैं ये हटा देती हूँ, okay, suppose I will add one more row and ये सब हम कॉपी पेस्ट करके देखते हैं. एंड वी कैन रिमूव दिस. ओके, और हम इसको कमेंट में डालेंगे. सो वी विल नॉट run this.
0 to 0. Since the operation is from 0 to 0, there is no operation, just perform the right shift. Okay, perform the right shift. So this 0
Okay,
will be over here.
so
This 0 will go over here. This 0 will go over here.
now
This 0 will come over. So look at that. Multiplier का bit यहाँ पे 0 हो जाएगा. ये वाला यहाँ
Type.
पे हो जाएगा. ये वाला 0.
कौन सा कॉलम है?
खाली
Date.
डायरेक्ट काम बचेंगे जो प्लान से लेने तो खाली जगह पे आपको क्या डालना है? जनरेट का एलएससी. ये होगा.
So I just write that column name. तो ये डेट क्या कंसिडर हो रहा है यहाँ पे? एज अ स्ट्रिंग कंसिडर हो रहा है. सो आई डोंट वांट दैट शुड बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ string. I want this as my date as a date, DDMM or YYMM DD form. Okay, whatever it may be. So I can consider this as my basically. समझ में आया फर्क? Have you understood the difference? And suppose I'm writing this parse as a date and index is equal to date, then it will be showing me my date as my date. Okay, so this way we can consider. I'm deleting this. I'm not keeping this because I have to run another program. So this will be considered as a parse date as my date format, and index column is my date. Understood? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Hmm. This is what, because date को date में ही consider करना है, not as a string or other. Now here we can having df as my index, so it will be showing you my index will be in a such way. तो जो भी dates है वो date proper में आएंगी, that is name, date, length and frequency. Okay. Now what is date time indexing क्या होता है? Suppose I want the date and I want the write the date 2017 6:30. ये date को I want just what is the open, how the market is open, what is the high, what is the low, and what is the close value, and what is the total value. So you can retrieve that partial date time index with the help of this. Okay. Then suppose I want this related data, data frame into 2017 and month में क्या क्या stock होता, how the table is going to be, so it will be showing me this way. देखो यहाँ पे जो मैंने string run किया था ना, उसके वजह से it will be showing me error, maybe let it be. Okay. Next, suppose I want the heading value my 2017 and 6 month with the head of 500. So it will be this way. Now I want the close mean. Okay. What I want is, that is I want the close mean. मीन का मतलब क्या होता है बताओ मुझे.
बेसिकली आपको क्या करना है, a plus n करना है, बराबर ना. तो a plus n करना है.
हम एवरेज लेना जितने भी ओपन क्लोज हुए हैं उससे पर्टिकुलर डेट्स में सबका सम करके सबका सम करके डिवाइड बाय 5.
Okay, so that is mean. This way we can having the whatever the values about 2017 6, we can having the close mean, because we want the all data related, and that's why we can calculate all those things. Then suppose I want 2017 के कितने records है, that will be also possible with the help of this time series prediction. Okay. Suppose I want the particular range, that I can mention the range and I can retrieve the data using this. Okay. Now I can resample my data. Resampling, ये term आपको हुई है, तो resampling क्या होता है बताओ मुझे. Anyone? Resampling, sampling, resampling क्या होता है? बताओ. बताओ बताओ. Anyone? Resample function, resampling of data क्या होता है? आपको probability में है ना? Resampling.
To improve accuracy, the method used called is resampling.
To method
To improve accuracy in statics.
Yes, resampling generates a unique sampling distribution. Sampling distribution based on actual data. जो sampling distribution है, that will be basically distributed with the help of sampling data. So it is resampling function primarily used for your time series, and it is convenience method for frequency conversion and resampling of time series. So that's why this time series resampling of your data, like I told you, frequency distribution, normal distribution, it's used for that. So this way we can having the resampling, and we can finding out the mean, and we can take in the head of that particular data. Okay. Then suppose this is what the same way 2016 or 7 month में कितना record था that. With the help of this plot, we can having we can definitely call the plot the graph directly, like percentage matplotlib inline भी लिखा and df dot close, जो मेरा close का table है उसका we can plot the graph with the help of this, that my date is here and my x-axis is having the close value and how this graph is going to be generated. Suppose I want to specify my graph, so that specified with the help of, we can just mention the kind of a bar with the help of lines, dot, that we can do with the help of this time series prediction. So you can directly plot the graph without passing any values. So that will be very important in case of your pandas library. Okay, so with the help of this, we can easily plot the graph as well as easily do the time, date and time index. Understood? इतना समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we can having the next. I will stop and I will again share.
बराबर, ये बताना पड़ेगा आपको, ये बताना पड़ेगा, आप यहाँ पे छोड़ नहीं सकते इसको, ठीक है? आपको ये बताना
Okay,
पड़ेगा कि इनको
we will
पढ़ेगा।
see in the next lecture because it will take too much time. Suppose we are having one data with having the date value and which we have to predict the other column which are missing the date value. That we can having called as a date range function. I will tell you in the next lecture. Okay.
Negative.
So this all about today's lecture. I will take the attendance. Wait for a minute.
How it is stored? In its
Up till now, anyone having doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If you have any doubt, just let me ask. And this also can be possible. Time series prediction जो है, that also can be possible with the help of your Excel also. मतलब ये जो Excel हम देख रहे हैं ना, आपका ये Excel से भी एनालिसिस बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. Tableau सॉफ्टवेयर है, आपका अदर सॉफ्टवेयर है, that also possible. Okay. Friday we have done the lecture ना. Friday का डेट क्या था? 22. But Friday I haven't taken attendance. Just mark the date. And today's date is what? 25.
26.
Today 26 or 25?
25.
25 equal to 24 था बेटा. कौन है एक दिन आगे चल रहा है जिसका टाइम सीरीज प्रेडिक्शन आगे चल रहा है बहुत ज्यादा? हाँ,
Any doubt so far? Any doubt so far?
20. फटाफट अटेंडेंस दे लो. CSBS मुंबई कैंपस 1 2 शेरिल 3
Present, ma'am.
4.
So just in case.
Komal is also there. 4 5 Aryan
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
6 Vallabh is also there. Vallabh को भी देखा है. Yes. 7 Anshal 8
Present, ma'am.
8 Adarsh. Okay, हाँ Adarsh. 9 10
Present, ma'am.
11 12
Present, ma'am.
13
Present, ma'am.
14
Present, ma'am.
15 16 Ruchita Patil 17 18 19 18 Samiksha Pawar 19 Par 20
Present, ma'am.
21
Present, ma'am.
2 22 Sushant.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, roll number 2 is present.
Roll number 2 Cheryl. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next Shobhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shobhan.
Present, ma'am.
Yeah. Next Sushant.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
सुशांत
प्रेजेंट
शर्मा है
नहीं,
क्या?
वो नहीं, नीचे नीचे।
ओके, नेक्स्ट वाल है नकुल।
प्रेजेंट मैम।
नेक्स्ट कनिका।
Present, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट कृष्णा। राज।
प्रेजेंट मैम।
नेक्स्ट मानस 27, 28,
Present, ma'am.
29, 30,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
33,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
34,
Present, ma'am.
35, 35, 36.
प्रेजेंट मैम। 35।
ओके, 35 प्रेजेंट है। 36 बलजीव।
प्रेजेंट मैम।
ओके, 37
प्रेजेंट मैम।
देन 38 जल्दी जल्दी 39
प्रेजेंट मैम।
40
प्रेजेंट मैम।
41
प्रेजेंट मैम।
2 42
प्रेजेंट मैम।
43
प्रेजेंट मैम।
44
प्रेजेंट मैम।
5 45 सुमित 46 साक्षी 47 अम्बेश मिश्रा भी है।
प्रेजेंट मिस।
यस यस देखा अम्बेश। अर्पित सिंह,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
मनीष कुमार, भौतिक तांडेल, शाकिर, अनिरुद्ध जगताप, मिगदाद, मिगदाद, मिगदाद,
मैम
हाँ
45
मिगदाद,
प्रेजेंट है।
हाँ मिगदाद 45 साक्षी जादव, नहीं सुमित।
यस मैम प्रेजेंट।
ओके हाँ सुमित ठीक है। ओके, अगर कोई है तो मुझे बता दो, मैं भी पुणे का अटेंडेंस लेती हूँ फटाक से। तो मैंने पुणे स्टूडेंट्स, चलो पुणे स्टूडेंट्स गिव इट फास्टली। ओके 1 2 पुणे स्टूडेंट फास्ट हरी अप 2 3 4
Present, ma'am.
Present,
5
ma'am.
6
मैम मैंने प्रेजेंट बोला मैम 3, रोल
हाँ।
नंबर 3।
Ma'am, 4 also present.
हाँ 4 लगाया है मैंने 4 5 नहीं है 6 7
Present, ma'am.
8
प्रेजेंट मैम।
9
Present, ma'am.
10 11
मैम प्रेजेंट।
11 12 फटाफट
प्रेजेंट मैम।
13 15 वंशिष्ठा जैन दिखी मुझे ठीक है। 14 15 16 17 8
मैम।
कौन कौन
मैम 16 17
16 17 18
18 प्रेजेंट।
19
प्रेजेंट मैम 19
20 21
प्रेजेंट मैम।
22
प्रेजेंट मैम।
3 24 25
Present, ma'am.
26,
Ma'am,
27.
23 present.
Present, ma'am. 27.
Ma'am, 26.
Okay. 27. Okay.
Present,
28,
ma'am.
Present, ma'am. 28.
29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
30 present.
31, 31, 32, 33, 34,
Present.
35, 35,
I'm 33.
35, 35, 36,
Present, ma'am.
37, 38, 39, 40,
Present, ma'am.
41, 2, 43, 44.
42 present.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 39 present.
ये बाद में बताओ ये सब लोग, मैं पहले कंटिन्यूएशन में दे दो, बाद में बताओ. 40, 45,
Present, ma'am.
46, 47, 48,
Present, ma'am.
49,
48 present.
49, 50, 51,
Present, ma'am.
50 present, ma'am.
50 भी प्रेजेंट है.
Ma'am,
51,
50
50,
present.
हाँ 51, 52, 3, 54,
53.
50, 53. Okay. Next 55, 56, 57.
Present, ma'am. 56.
हाँ 57, 58,
Present.
59,
Present, ma'am.
60, 60. Okay. 61,
Present, ma'am. 61 present.
62, 63, 63, 64, 65,
54 present.
64, 65, 66, 67,
67 present, ma'am.
67, 68,
66.
Present, ma'am.
and 69.
Ma'am, 66 present.
66 present. Okay. Next बोलो.
Ma'am,
अभी कौन
42.
कौन? 42,
Ma'am, 39.
Ma'am,
Next.
33 mic problem.
39. Next.
Ma'am, 33 mic problem.
33 mic problem. Next.
Ma'am, 47.
47. Next. बोलो.
65.
Sorry, 47 ना? 46 नहीं. हाँ 67.
65. ma'am.
65. Next. 67. 67 लगा है. Next. हो गए सब?
33 mark. Ma'am, 33
आ?
mark.
33. कौन बोल रहा है ये? इसका माइक आवाज नहीं आ रहा. 33. यशोवर्धन. ओके. नेक्स्ट.
Ma'am, 14. Vagisha.
Vagisha, 14. Okay. Next. हो गए almost. Anyone who have left mark the attendance, just let me know. ये मेहुल पोशितवार नहीं है क्या? नए न्यू स्टूडेंट. Okay. I thought everyone has done the attendance. Yashwardhan, I have marked it. Thank you all of you. We see you.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, it's Kritika from Mumbai batch. My roll number is
Yes.
17. I'm present.
कृतिका पवन ना या तिलकन? पवन. कृतिका. यस कृतिका आपका.
Yes, ma'am.
यस. मुंबई ब्रांच में से कोई बच्चा है तो बोल दो अटेंडेंस का. मुंबई ब्रांच. You can leave the meeting. Thank you all of you. Mumbai branch, anyone who has left to mark the attendance, just let me know. Thank you all of you. Anyone from Mumbai branch whose attendance has not been marked, just let me know.
Total assignment is 6, right? तो हर एक यूनिट पे एक असाइनमेंट बनता है और ठीक है. तो मैं दिवाली से पहले पहले आपको 2 असाइनमेंट दे दूंगा. तो ये आपके पास राइट हो जाएगा. अगर मुझे लगा कि